facts, you know. Jamaican woman are the wickedest, most deceitful women in the world. When it comes to relationships. If we are going to use the fact that them unfaithful to the man, them go as far as we have unprotected sex when them get the man born, them go as far as to conceive and get pregnant and then turn around, give the man the jacket, are the wickedest, most deceitful women in the world.
Kiss me, rascal. Me I tell you, wickedness can't done.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.
Yeah man, top of the morning, give thanks for life. We're there on a journey. You don't know, Big Voice Radio in the building. You don't know anything going on. We are going to break down the topic here because, trust me, Oral Tracy, the great maverick, yeah man, him touch some solid points. Because you see this paternity fraud, this jacket epidemic in Jamaica, I want serious thing, no joke, serious issue, yo. That's why I think them mandate to get a DNA test, like the fathers have to get a DNA test before them sign the birth certificate. And that makes so much sense, yo. Because, them female, yeah, them, I'm not gonna make this only be Jamaican females. You know, every race of females cheat and jacket there everywhere in the world. But what we can't ignore, Jamaica have the most paternity fraud, the most jacket out of every other race in the whole world. Jamaican females top the chart. And this is not feelings, this is facts. This is data. This is science. This is not no feelings or nobody bashing Jamaican women. Because we know say every culture a woman cheat. But Jamaican woman cheat and get jacket on a whole different level. And you know what's so crazy about it? Them deny it even when them know. Them actually play the victim and make man feel like them are the problem. Them have to understand, you know, yo, when a man cheat, a man can cheat, you know. But the thing is now, when a man cheat on his wife or his girlfriend, even if him get a girl pregnant, the girl the outside, see, the pitney not come in there. Because the man not carry pitney. But when a woman cheat, yo, is a high risk, it's not the same. Because if she get pregnant, now she have to sit down for 9 months with a pitney, where is not even for the husband or the boyfriend. You know how mentally messed up that be, yo. See, and me have a brethren where me not call him name, but him actually got through a situation like this. More than one brethren, but me have one personally where him doubt it, say him son of him. I mean encourage him and tell him say, yo, you work your money, brother, go do a DNA. But him couldn't tell the girlfriend. See, because he know the girlfriend not gonna get wild about it. And anyway, the man take me advice and go pay for the DNA. And when the man go to the DNA, yo, 0.00, they pick me on a film. And you know, that's not the bad part, you know. You see the bad, messed up part, and when the man put it to the baby mother, show her the results. You think of people would have think say the baby mother would have cry and say, boy, I'm sorry, you know, this, that, I've cheated in the past. No. The baby mother get mad upon him and say, yo, who tell you if you go do blood test? Who tell you if you go do DNA? I call the man junker and worthless. And remember say the man go do the right thing, you know, yo. The man go do the right thing, the man go do the DNA, and the woman ended up a cuss the man. Say the man should not go do the DNA. When the man find out say I'm a female. Can you believe that? That's why me have to agree with Oral Tracy. Me have to agree with the Maverick, yo. And on a style, my style Jamaican women. It's facts. It's facts. And them thing I need to stop bridging. So me can tell any man if you have any doubt, go and go do your DNA. It can happen to anybody. It can happen to anyone away. If you see traits in your youth, them where you know say you that. Seeing if you're not sure, go do a DNA. And get it done from early. You get me? I say because it can happen to any man. Yeah, and this is not a laughing matter. This is a serious matter. Yeah, man, but me I go play Oral Tracy take on it so you can listen Oral Tracy and tell me if you don't agree. Yeah, man, Big Vice Radio in the building. You don't know me, break it down, and you don't know, say boy, just like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, because we are grow for 2025. Yeah, man, big up on yourself.
YouTube family of the Maverick in the space again, still with the best and most credible opinion, still fear and fearless analysis. And you know say, one of my original topic when I just start the YouTube channel here, jump up again, paternity fraud and the Jamaican woman. A story come out in the Star newspaper the other day say, one prominent athlete and a prominent entertainer, two of them just discover say, them get jacket. Them never call no name and them never going on no detailed. But apparently there's this private company where 876 DNA, apparently them in a Jamaica and them offer services are doing DNA tests to verify, you know, the veracity of parenthood. so it was an interview with, I think, the CEO of the company there. And him reveals, say, watch a man, this thing is much more widespread than we all think. I think he used the percentage of 47% of all of the cases where come to him. That is almost half of the man them where come do test, a jacket them get. Also, importantly, a nice little nuance to the argument when point out that most of these tests were instigated by grandmothers of the men, you know. Grandmothers, mothers, sisters, aunts, relatives of the men who tell them families say, watch out. I'm not sure that pick me up here, you know, go and do some DNA test. And as a result of that, almost 50%, almost 1 in 2, almost half of the man them when them go to the DNA test, with the picnic where them a mind and feast for them, 1 in 2 are the picnic them and not for them. I remember when we do the initial video, you know, I think the figure was closer to like 1 in 3, you know. And we say, oh, well, this alarming array. Well, more recent data shows that now is more 1 in 2. And you don't stop this up. Cause almost like a big coincidence now, this video with this foreign virgin now, I talk about the rate of paternity fraud amongst the various nationality them. And right on cue, he make you know, alright, listen to him.
The research found that 30% of Nigerian men are fathering children that aren't theirs. Nigerian women rank second highest on paternity fraud in the whole world. And guess who ranks number 1? Jamaican women. Jamaican women have a paternity fraud cuckoldry rate of 62%. You're more likely to get someone else's kid than your own if you're banging up a Jamaican girl.
62% female. So better I want to cut and slice and dice it, you know, people. Make we be honest about it now. Can we be honest about it? Because when we do the first video, a lot of people never want to be honest about it, you know. One prominent female influencer did tell me say the man them fault. At the time when we bring it up to her, she said the man them fault. why the woman them give them so much jacket. But make me be honest about it now. What kind of conclusion would you draw from data like this? It's simple and straightforward right in front of your face, you know. Jamaican woman are the wickedest, most deceitful women in the world when it comes to relationships. If we are going to use the fact that them unfaithful to the man, them go as far as we have unprotected sex when they give the man born, them go as far as to conceive and get pregnant and then turn around, give the man the jacket, are the wickedest, most deceitful women in the world. And you know what woman Jamaican woman stay already. Whenever discussions like this come up, them either shy away from it or on an individual basis, them tell us say no, and also we stay. So every single one of them, you know, I gotta tell you point blank, say no, and also them stay, you know. So me want know the one them we get the man them jacket at 1 in 3 or 1 in 2 or 60%. More know where them the Jamaican woman there. I know so where they one youth they do a little TikTok interview with me. And they did go viral when me talk about the transactional commodity called love.
What's one thing you believe that most people don't?
I think women are incapable of genuine love because it's more about what people can do for them and what the other people bring to the relationship than genuine love. Love is a transactional commodity right now.
So you don't feel like a woman will see a man and just love him genuinely for who he is?
Where you gonna find that woman there? Tell me where you find that woman there. Tell me the island where them woman there. When we go over there go live.
Jamaica.
No, my boss, you're mad, man. And where you live? On that cave you live, man. No.
And I want for people up in arms about it. Quite a few of my friends them touch base with me and ask me if I really think that's true. And I say, what you say? You know, so I talk the thing with a straight face. Now you see when we tell people, when we tell them up in another little video they know, so watch out. Jamaican women don't know any genuine love, you know. A transactional commodity, that is what love and intimacy is, generally speaking, for Jamaican women in 2025. Now, we can say we can't produce no data to prove that, right? So, you know, the woman, them can come and deny it, say, no, them don't love for money, them don't love for money. There's still women out there with genuine love and blah, 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 like them take man for idiot. But we who live in the Jamaican society and traverse the Jamaican society, coming across from era to era to era, interact with the women in the Jamaican society. Them can dispute, you know, and say, no, them don't love for money. But you see the paternity fraud thing, you know, see the jacket thing, that a science, you know, that a data, you know, that a when, look here, a DNA test, you know, is 99% accurate, you know. That means if it tell you, say, the picnic feel, 99% that accurate. If you tell you say the picnic not feel, 99% that accurate as well. So them cannot dispute the rate of jacket where them give the Jamaican man, you know. In fact, I should say a Jamaican man. Because it's not Jamaican man alone get jacket from Jamaican woman. But it's the high rate of jacket where Jamaican woman give them partner. It is a national and international disgrace, but nobody not gonna call it out. Nobody not gonna call it out because it's politically incorrect to criticize women in today's day and age. Yeah, so no matter the wickedness what the woman them doing, no matter how gruesome, unethical, savage the act what the woman doing, you have to put your mouth on ground and talk when you talk the truth. If it's a negative truth about the Jamaican woman. But me don't tell you already. I guess what now? You see us Jamaican man who love woman, it's just we have to deal with them, you know. We have to deal with them because if you're in the space, another space is where you interact and you get your relationship, them, you have to work with it, you know. But people, for no for we who wise up and understand and not naive and fool, we just deal with it for what it is. It is good to know what you're dealing with, you know. Because man will love woman can't do without woman, you know. No matter how evil and wicked they are, you know. Even whenever you get 5 jackets, 5 picnic and 5 jackets, man still love woman. But if we know and if we can face the reality and if we can call it out, Jamaican woman is the worst. Jamaican women are the worst possible partners to be in a relationship with. Make one of them come around and come contest it. Make a dozen of them come around and come contest it. Credibly contest it, you know. We not talk off emotion. And say the data wrong and the DNA wrong and a lie. We not tell pan Jamaican woman. Jamaican woman wicked long time and a long time before we know that. Long time we know that, but because of we have mothers and sisters and girlfriends and wives, we kind of afraid to say so. And daughters, we might add as well. But the fact of the fact, when you discuss them kind of issue, you can't think about it. On the micro level, you look on the macro discussion. And generally speaking, as per the data across several eras, different data as well, on the same issue, Jamaican women, scientifically, it is proven to be the worst woman in the world. If faithfulness is an index of the quality of the person we are dealing with. I remember, so the amount of jacket where the man them get, is just an index of how unfaithful these women are, So the amount of jacket where them get, the amount of time them get pregnant, is just an index of the amount of time where them cheat, What a wicked set of women. But the lie where the Maverick are telling, where is the lie? Where is the lie that the Maverick is telling? The whole world gang up and falsify the data upon Jamaican woman. What a wicked world, man. What a wicked world. What you must do? What you must do when you detect, say, some of them women are cheat on you? Step like this. You can blame the man when they go foreign woman and white woman and all them something. The data show. Say the white woman, they're much more faithful. Even the Hispanic woman, they're much more faithful. Even the African woman, them where them beat. Say the African woman, them this and the African woman that. None of them as wicked as the Jamaican woman. Step in away, Maverick. You can stay if you want. Step me a step.